Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool General Electric 6.0. It's a 27909 cordless telephone, and this is best equipment from VA, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool cordless telephone. Now, these were very good units. People really like them, and they want to have them repaired because they no longer make this unit. And if you can even find one used, they can get quite expensive. And we have a lot of times where someone will purchase this unit used and still need to have it repaired. Now, this unit has an issue. It has no transmit, and so what we want to do is troubleshoot our main PC board. And we're going to go ahead and show you the handset if you've never seen the inside of one of these units. That gives you a look at the handset. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We're going to go ahead and get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And there is an issue. This is a cordless telephone, so the base unit and handset interchange frequencies, and that RF power can disturb the amplifier. The RF power can get into the amplifier and cause a static sensation, a hum, kind of an electrical noise. I'm going to go ahead and press the button on the amplifier, and you may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but we're going to show you the RF power and how it can affect the amplifier during the final checkout. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to dial our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. We're going to dial a 2 to cause dial tone to go away, and we're going to show you the radio frequency that we're talking about. Go ahead and hang our handset up. So the radio frequency can interfere with an open amplifier. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press the button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Friday, March 30th. The current time, 1:09 p.m. and the temperature, 50 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Beth and they can enjoy this cordless telephone once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.